Good day, everyone. Learn how to install Revo Uninstaller in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. I'll tell you the best way to download and install. And we will be installing the free version of Revo Uninstaller. So I will open the browser and I'll type Revo Uninstaller. And you will find the first result, Revo Uninstaller Pro. Uninstall software, remove programs. So I will click on that. Now we will click on free downloads and then we will select Revo Uninstaller free download. The moment we do that, a small file will be downloaded and we need to open that. And the file name will be revosetup.exe. So we are going to install the Revo Uninstaller and you can see select setup language, English, or you can change the language to any other. And I will click on OK. Then I will click on I accept, click on next. If you want to create a shortcut, you can do that. Enable Revo Uninstaller Helper. You can do that. I would not need that. So I will uncheck that and I will click on install. And I can see launch Revo Uninstaller. I'll click on yes, finish. So now you have the uninstaller, Revo Uninstaller is installed. From here, you can select whatever the application you want to uninstall completely. And I'll just do a right click on that. You can click on uninstall. You can also make a system restore point before uninstall. That's a great thing to do. And it's creating a restore point. It will take some time and then it will scan. So it's then, are you sure you want to uninstall the product? I'll say yes. It says preparing to remove. So FreeCam is getting uninstalled automatically from the uninstaller of FreeCam itself. However, we will scan the whole computer for any leftover files or anything related to that. We will select and we will click on next, select and delete. And again, we will select delete and it is completely gone from my computer. So you can also try that and do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to use the Revo uninstaller or not. All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. If you have any queries and any questions, do let me know in the comment section and I will tell you the best way to remove any application if you want to. Have a wonderful day. Take care.